Hey, what's going on everybody? This is Carlos, also known as CS the Director, bringing you another figure review. This time we have Scorpion and Sub-Zero from the new game Mortal Kombat X by mescotoys.com. As you can see, these figures are amazing. Everything that it has are just incredible. Each figure has a lot of detail. Just what a real fan would love. These are great for your collection to put on display as a gift or any other way that you want. They are just badass. There we have Scorpion. And his mask comes off. For some reason, I don't know why, but they put this face. And of course you have a little part that goes to his, I don't know. But the figure is amazing. You have the sword you can pull out from the back. Just slide them back in. Now you have Sub-Zero. His mask doesn't come off. I won't even attempt to break it. But look at the detail. My favorite character, Sub-Zero. I got both of them because of the only two that I'm interested in. I really don't care about the other ones yet. Now, Scorpion, he does come with two sets of hands. So he has his regular ones that he has on right now, and he has these. You just pop that into place so you can put the spear. And when you put the spear, you give him the get over here look. That's one, and the other one. And for Sub-Zero, you get two extra hands. One, you also get an ice mallet. It's pretty nice. You can actually see like the frost on it. And the other one, you get his little sword, his little ice sword. Now, when you see the size comparison, I do have the ones from Jazzware from back in, I would say, the early 2000s. There you have Sub-Zero size comparison, and now you have Scorpion size comparison. These figures are rare. These are the ones that they came in a twin pack. I was fortunate enough to find them on eBay on a good bid, and I got them. Some pretty sick looking figures. I like them for their time. Even to the day of today, they still look amazing. I even also have this little guy that is also rare. Comes from the 4-pack. You got Smoke, just so you guys can see the size comparison. I do got Sub-Zero also. But as you can see, these figures are amazing. Suggest you guys go out and grab yours. buy it before they sell out or the price gets really expensive. I got mine for a deal on eBay, so if you guys are interested, check it out. But like the video, subscribe, share, and if there's anything you guys want to see specifically, send me a message. I'll look into it and I'll do my best so I can do the review. Hope you guys enjoy and keep posting.